I am going to be a mobile tech, so I don't have a sticks and bricks home. So I will have this out on the road, and then I will be able to go from place to place and still travel and see places and see the world and be able to help people in campgrounds fix things along the way and make money and support myself and my travels. Hatito. Hello, my name is Carrie Silverhorn. I am a member of the Eastern Shawnee Tribe. My Shawnee name is Sassy MC. I've been a full-time RVer for about 2 years now. I started off as a work camper, and I really loved the freedom in doing that, but I wasn't able to find my winter job, and people kept coming in and asking if there was RV techs, and I kind of took that as a sign. Plus, I would ask people to help me with my 1984 camper, and they would simply tell me to sell it or set it on fire. They wouldn't help me work on it. So I felt like there was a need, especially since I, in my business, cater to solo women travelers. It's a little daunting having some stranger come over to your home. And I felt like that might be a little bit more comfortable if I showed up to do some repair work or to educate them on some issues. So I actually talked to a gentleman in a campground that I was at, and he had come to the NRVTA. And so I looked it up, and I presented it to my tribe as a vocational school, and they fully gave me a full scholarship. The first week of fundamentals here at the NRVTA was a lot of information, a lot of information at once, and it was great information. It was just trying to learn a different language. By the end of the week, it's starting to make sense. I'm actually able to take it back to my camper and apply it. I'm actually able to, open up a panel and be like, there's what we were talking about today. And know the action steps that I need to take in order to maintain or fix my own rig, or what I can expect whenever I go out in the field and help other people when they fix theirs. So what's next is I will continue on from fundamentals to go on to be a certified technician. The NRVTA actually breaks that down into week by week elements. So I will have a full week of just refrigerator or just hot water. So it's going to give me even more hands-on experience and more practice. And then after that, I go on to RV inspector, so that I can also inspect RVs. And that is for my benefit in the future. My goal is to procure older vintage model RVs. So I want to make sure that I'm getting the best deal, and then help other people when they're purchasing their RVs to know that they're not getting a bad deal. I want to thank the NRVTA for having this program, and I want to thank the Eastern Shawnee Tribe for my scholarship for this and making it possible. So Sassy MC, that's my Indian name, and I will tell you Salanoki na Chenina. That means until we meet again.